Today I'm going to be showing you how I created this pearl pour. I haven't done a pearl pour in a really long time, so I'm excited to be doing something different today. I'm painting the edges of the canvas white. This is going to help give us some good coverage on the edges, even though we'll be working with very thin pouring paint. And it also helps with achieving better results overall. This is actually my first time trying a pearl pour on a fairly large canvas. So I'm working on a 20 by 24 inch canvas. That's roughly 51 by 61 centimeters. So I'm really hoping this is going to work out. Next, I'm going to be layering my colorful paints into a cup, but I want to first give you a feel for the consistency of the paints. Basically, when the paint pours back into the cup, it should pretty much disappear immediately, meaning you shouldn't see a mound form and then disappear. The colorful paints and the white pearl paint that I'm working with today are all mixed to the same consistency. So there is quite a lot that goes into the paint mixtures for this technique. So I'll list all the products and the ratios in the description box. If this technique is new to you, then I'd also recommend watching my video number 110, where I share some tips and tricks for getting this technique to work. I'll link that video in the description box too. I'm layering my colorful paints in a cup, starting with Phthalo Blue by Loft, because I want that color to pour out last. And then I'm adding Phthalo Green by Loft. This is Aqua Green by Loft. And this is Copper by Deco Art. It's their Dazzling Metallics paint. With that ready for when we need it, I'm pouring my white pearl paint onto the canvas. This is the paint that's going to be creating the really cool pearls later on. I'm popping some of the air bubbles with my heat gun. Now we are ready for the colors that we prepared earlier. I'm just going to pour that all out slowly onto the canvas. And then gently stretch the paint around the canvas and over some of the edges. think I'm going to stop there, and now we just have to give it some time for the pearls to form. The pearls can actually continue to form and grow for many hours after you stop painting. Well, I really love how nice and big these pearls have grown and really filled up a lot of the canvas. Overall, very happy that this technique worked out, especially since I'm working on a fairly large canvas. I'd love to know what you think. Please let me know in the comments. Thank you for joining me, and I look forward to seeing you again next time.